wasn't a person who liked fuss. He was not a person who liked controversy. As long as the argument starts, he's gone. Him and his girlfriend lived for over 2 years. Never fight, never war. Which relationship you find, Dad? I tell him sometimes, I wish sometimes than me. Never fight, never war. The argument starting first to walk on. I can't even explain. My only son. My heart, my soul, my everything. The person who, if my head hurt me call him something because I'm their father. The first lady me soon forward. Every Friday, see her in there. Every single Friday him call me. My first lady where I depend. My father house. Say Nana come link me now. When him say Nana come link him, I know exact. If him not come, I know exact what is that. He call me and say, Mommy, me give Nana something, you know. Manager to me at okay, oh, it's supposed to be for your mother like that. Benny spoke a couple minutes before all that happened. He come check me, and he talk, and he leave. But me hear the shot, me never, and I hear the shot, me never up. I don't even call his phone, I don't even look at the last one, and when him spoke, Mother, I'm going to play, I get something to eat. Right. Mother, I get something to eat, I'm going to play some game.
Miss Susan in Augustown died week and days after Javane Duhaney, and week and days before Javane done it, she's already do her autopsy. What's the difference? What happened? What happened? We quiet and we not make no nice, so we are met with nice now. And we need justice for Javane starting today. We need the pathology to be done, and we need it to be done. If they can't do it today, we need it sooner. We need Mr. Ford in here. Not doing with it. The children, them, the immediate family, we have suffered long enough. Long enough.
You're absolutely amazed what the body says to you at post-mortem. It speaks to you. And I want him, Mr. Duhaney may have died, but I want him to speak to me so I can speak to his mother.